Hello friends, welcome to Bunny's Bites. Today we will be making Palli Pakodi. If you need to make a snack that will only take a few minutes but impress your friends, this is the perfect recipe for you. First, take 400 grams of peanuts. Then add 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon kasauti methi, 1 tablespoon ginger and green chili paste, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix them all together so that the peanuts are well coated. I like it to be spicy, but if you don't, you can avoid the red chili powder completely. As well as that, add in a handful of curry leaves. After that, add in 3 tablespoons of gram flour. Add it 1 tablespoon at a time. Meanwhile, you should heat some oil. You can heat it on high flame, but put it on medium flame when you're frying. Fun fact, peanuts are a good source of protein. Also, pakodi originated in India, but its name and style varies in each state. Next, add 1 tablespoon rice flour for crunchiness. Then add small quantities of water so that the mixture sticks. Adding in the kasauti methi and curry leaves enhance the flavors. The peanuts should be evenly coated. Finally, fry the peanuts in oil on medium flame. This will take slightly longer to fry, so take your time. Don't put it on high flame because the peanuts won't become crunchy. When the oil stops bubbling and the coating changes color, you know it's ready. Now, your Palli Pakodi is ready to eat. I recommend eating once it cools down so that the peanuts are more crunchy because they'll still be cooking a bit after you take them out. You can enjoy it with sauce or on its own. I like it on its own because I feel it has enough flavor and it's nice with a hot cup of tea. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bunny's Bites.
Yummy!